How to create and manage test cases in Tosca. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how to create and manage test cases in Tosca. Whether you're new to Tosca or just need a refresher, this quick guide will get you up to speed. Let's jump right in. Creating and managing test cases in Tosca. First, let's open Tosca Commander. This is where you'll manage all your test cases. We'll start by creating a new test case. Tosca Commander interface. 1. Creating a test case. Navigate to the test case section in the project tree on the left side. Right-click on the test cases folder and select Create Test Case. Right-click menu and select Create Test Case. 2. Defining the test case. Enter a meaningful name for your test case. Click on the test case node to open its details in the central workspace. Test case naming and details entry. 3. Adding modules. Go to the Modules section and find the relevant module that contains the actions you need. Drag and drop these modules into the test case. This is where you'll define the steps for your test. Dragging modules into test case. 4. Configuring test steps. Click on each module step to configure the details. Here you can set parameters and add any required values. Configuration of test steps. 5. Saving your test case. Once you've set up the test steps, save your test case by clicking the save icon or pressing CRS. Save action. Now let's look at managing test cases. Test case management section. 1. Organizing test cases. Use folders and subfolders in the project tree to keep your test cases organized. You can create folders by right-clicking and selecting Create Folder. Creating folders. 2. Updating test cases. To modify an existing test case, simply select it from the project tree and make the necessary changes in the central workspace. Selecting and updating test case. 3. Executing test cases. To run a test case, right-click on it and select Execute. You can view the execution results in the execution section. Running and viewing results. 4. Reporting and analysis. After execution, check the reports section to analyze the results. This helps in understanding the test outcomes and identifying any issues. And that's a quick overview of creating and managing test cases in Tosca. With these steps, you can efficiently organize and run your tests. Thanks for watching. Einsla. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tosca tips and tutorials. Leave your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.